Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about the requirements you should follow to open your account as soon as possible as a foreigner. But before getting more insight into the main content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In our previous video, we went over 4 options foreigners have to open a bank account in the US. You will find the link in the description below. So what requirements do you need? For the bank to be able to trust you, security measures have been heightened. Some banks will even require a background check before approving your account. You'll need to verify your identity, reliability, residency, and business. For businessmen, it's easier to set a bank account for your business if you have the required documents and approval. Please find below a list of all the requirements needed to open an account. 2 forms of valid photo ID. Your passport is a must. Secondary form of ID like your student ID, driver's license, etc. Immigration documents, all legal documents including your work or visit visa. EIN, Employment Identification Number. This is a number assigned to you, foreign business by the IRS. You need it to open a business in the U.S. to open a bank account. U.S. address. Most, if not all, banks require a physical U.S. address to open a bank account. I'll show you how you can get one without necessarily being a U.S. resident. Initial deposit. Every bank requires you to have a minimum deposit in your account. The amount varies from one bank to another. It can be as low as $10 or as high as $100. How to get a U.S. street address. Not having a permanent U.S. address is the biggest problem you'll face when setting a bank account in the U.S. Banks insist on this term as proof of residency and identity. They need a stable address to use a mailing and billing address. But if you're only on a short visit or don't have a business set up in the U.S., getting a street address can be expensive. Unfortunately, banks don't recognize a P.O. box address as proof of residence, so it must be a street address. Now what? The solution to this dilemma would be getting a virtual street address. This means you get an actual street address and all its benefits without necessarily needing to be at the address. Confused? Let me try and explain this further. You get to choose from a variety of addresses available nationwide. It can be used as your personal address or business address. You'll not only have a street address, but a mailbox too for all your mail within the U.S. All your U.S. clients, investors, partners, and the bank will be able to send all your mail to your virtual mailbox. Your mail will arrive at a secure mail facility. The envelopes will be scanned and uploaded to your online mailbox. You can log into your mailbox or your phone or computer, wherever you are in the world. Have ultimate control over your mailbox. You'll easily be able to sort and organize all your business mail. With just a few clicks, you can open and scan, shred, recycle, archive, or download any mail piece. I placed a link in the description below for people looking to subscribe for a virtual address. I also recommend people to use a third-party service to make the process as easy as possible. I recommend to use Express Filing. You can assist you with the whole process. They can help you with company formation, banking solution, virtual U.S. address, U.S. phone number, and more. And they can do that without an SSN or ITIN. I placed our link in the description below. So guys, if you're a foreigner looking to open a U.S. bank account, you should follow these instructions. See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.